becoming consciously aware, becoming inspired. That happens when we become connected, because there is a centralized entity somewhere deep within us is in touch with everything that's happening in our body everywhere. It is really so amazing. Anything happens, it's brought to the knowledge immediately. Yes, it's happening. You may not be aware, but unconsciously we are aware. That is another magic of life. Look at the system, how it is so beautifully created. Then you may ask, why do we have to work so hard to access our wisdom and treasure and resources? Why not simply everything come to the surface? Why it should go to unconscious, our spirit or something? Because if you become aware of everything that is happening consciously all the time, then you don't have to live life. Then there's no need to communicate with anybody. There is no excitement or curiosity and nothing, because everything you know, past, present and future, and you know everybody what they are thinking, what's going on. You can see through the earth, you can see through the wall, and you are totally acquainted with everything. There's no question, because only answers all the time. So there is nothing. You become timeless. What is there to look forward to? If you become like this, scientists would just put you in some kind of prison or somewhere, and they would experiment on you every day, or they would put you somewhere on a space station, because you shouldn't stay on Earth. Something is weird. They may give an abnormal name like Superman maniac or something, because you don't fit into their limited system. You are higher. That is the reason the universe is extremely, unimaginably intelligent, very well thought of how to create, what to do, how to make the world a beautiful world. So you have conscious mind and unconscious spirit, so that you don't have to worry much about it. You can enjoy trying to connect, and whenever you get little help, intuitively, little kind of inspiration, oh, you are excited about this. My God, I got the answer. My problem got resolved. Thank you very much. I'm okay now. I can work hard. I can move forward. Something else is exciting. I want to look forward to that. And there is some kind of sensation, electrical tickling going on. So you're full of vibrancy and radiance and love and light. So whenever you want, you can connect. This is, imagine the conscious mind, just the conscious mind, and then the unconscious one is like on a scale. See, it also looks like a chakra wheel. That is what people believed. Oh, you had some kind of mystic wheels within you, whirlpools of energies. That's what it is. Some areas when you touch, nothing much happens. In some areas when you touch, gush of energy immediately into your whole body. My God, what happened? Somebody touched you. Okay, take the blessings. When you touched me, oh God, my headache disappeared. How come? If that happens, all pharmaceutical companies would go bankrupt, and they don't want to see you here anymore. Even that's also part of the beauty of nature. Everybody should exist, whether you're a drunkard or an alcoholic vendor, whoever, everybody should exist. But still there should be a gentle battle for survival and for the well-being of everybody, for peace and for harmony. That's what it is.